In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate DocuSign with Google Drive step by step. This is perfect if you regularly send documents for signature and want quick access to your files directly from Google Drive without downloading and re-uploading them every time. Once connected, you'll be able to pull documents straight from Drive into DocuSign in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to DocuSign. Head over to apps.docusign.com and log into your account. Make sure you're signing in with the account you actively use to send documents. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard, where you can see your envelopes and recent activity. From here, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on your profile. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. In that drop-down menu, click on My Preferences. This is where you can manage your account settings, integrations, and connected services. After clicking on My Preferences, you'll be taken to your settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see different categories. Look for the option called Document Sources and click on it. The Document Sources section is where DocuSign allows you to connect third-party storage services, like Google Drive, so you can import files directly when creating an envelope. Once you're inside the Document Sources section, you should see Google Drive listed as one of the available options. If it's not already connected, you'll see a Connect button next to it. Go ahead and click on Connect. As soon as you click Connect, a Google sign-in window will appear. Here, you'll need to choose the Google account that contains the Drive files you want to access. Select the correct account and continue. Google will then ask you to review the permissions that DocuSign is requesting. Typically, this includes permission to view and access files in your Google Drive, so you can attach them to envelopes. Take a moment to review the permissions carefully, and if everything looks good, click Allow. This step is necessary for the integration to work properly. Once you approve access, you'll automatically be redirected back to DocuSign. Now, your Google Drive should show us connected under Document Sources. That's it, the integration is complete. From this point forward, whenever you create a new envelope in DocuSign and choose to upload a document, you'll have the option to import files directly from Google Drive without manually downloading them to your computer first. To test it out, try starting a new envelope. Click on New, then choose Send an Envelope. When prompted to add documents, select the option to upload from Google Drive. You should now be able to browse your Drive folders, select a file, and attach it instantly. This can save a huge amount of time, especially if your contracts, agreements, or forms are already stored in Drive. If you ever want to disconnect Google Drive, simply return to My Preferences, go back to Document Sources, and manage your connected accounts from there. You can disconnect access at any time for security or account management purposes. And that's how you integrate DocuSign with Google Drive step by step. It only takes a few minutes to set up, and once it's connected, your workflow becomes much faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.